Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to discuss why Bitcoin is ready to break that overhead resistance that's been absolutely crushing us since the all-time high in the end of 2017. We're going to take a look at the smaller time frame ascending triangle that is forming right now, and also the longer term bear flag that has been keeping us down for so long, guys. Stay tuned, watch the whole video. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks. Term bear flag that has been forming since our blow off top all the way back in December of 2017. This has been one of the biggest flags that has formed in Bitcoin's history. So let's take a look, guys. You guys are probably pretty familiar with this flag. Everyone and their mother has been talking about it, now including me, so I'm not very original. We all know that, guys. But let's take a look at the flag that's been forming. Sometimes technical analysis is not original. It's what we see is what we kind of get. So it's hard to be original sometimes. But let's take a look at this not bear flag, bull flag here. We had one touch here at the support. We had another touch here at the resistance. Came down, touched the support, came up, touched the resistance. Actually fell through support because of the whole coronavirus thing. I shouldn't have said that word. Now I'm not going to get monetized. I'm a new channel. I'm not going to get monetized anyway. But let's take a look back in here. And then we came back up and touched this red resistance line. And we're just kind of peeking our head a little bit over it. And we came back down. We have not had a full close over the resistance line. That's usually what we look for. We look for a full close over that resistance line or a full close under that support line to confirm the breakout. I would say we can't really confirm the breakout until we test at least this high here, last swing high, about 10,500. Once we get over that 10,500 range, we have to clear this, 13.5 range here until we can confirm the absolute bull market where we could be testing this new all-time high and beyond. But we could be a little bit away from that. This, bear flag, a lot of people don't want to hear it, but this thing technically doesn't end until the end of this year. But these type of patterns tend to break out about 75% of the way through, and we're already over the 75% of the way through. We're probably closer to 80-85% of the way through this chart here. So we got to look for a breakout any day now. This would be the time because we're kind of grinding on this resistance line here. And, usually when Bitcoin's grinding on a resistance line, we either get a huge move up or a huge rejection down. As you can see, we kind of grinded here and had a big rejection, kind of grinded here, had a bit of rejection. Same thing here, we kind of grinded on support and we had a huge pump. So we're looking for a huge move soon, guys. This is kind of the macro view. Wanted to kind of go over this pretty regularly because all in all, nothing's really going to change until we break out of this pattern here. Everyone and their mother knows this pattern. So all the bots, traders are going to be trading based on this pattern. Once we kind of fully have a close above this resistance line, I think that's when we're going to start seeing fireworks and the new parabola is kind of going to start, guys. So let's go look at these ads here, because I'm cheap. I don't pay for the ads. Let's look over at kind of the, smaller time frame. We kind of have this, descending triangle, as you would call it. Ascending triangle, which is a huge bullish pattern. We kind of have this horizontal resistance here and kind of this upwards support where it kind of forms this ascending triangle here, and we're almost at this apex here. This thing has to finish, by about the middle of June. Absolute latest is the 18th of June. So let's see what this pattern unfolds. This is typically a bullish pattern, and you usually get a break of, about the size of, the flagpole, or the, the diameter of the triangle here, which would put us to about, this $11,500 to $12,000 range we got to be looking out for, guys, which would also break the long-term descending resistance line as we talk about it. Let's say it together, guys. Descending resistance line. We have to break that $12,000 line. no, not $12 line, that $10,500 range in order to confirm that new bull market, because right now it could just be a dead cat bounce. We don't really know for sure, so we have to see what really happens here. Yeah, so we could see another rejection here down to support. I don't see us going, if we stay in this triangle, I don't see us going much lower than this 9.5 range, about 9.5, and this resistance of closes is about that 9.9 to 9.8 range. So if we can have a full daily close above that $10,000 range, I think we're in pretty good business. So let's hope for that. Let's look for that that daily close above 10,000, and I think we could be pretty good at breaking this upward red resistance here, guys. The last thing I kind of want to look at is a lot of controversy over the Bitcoin stock to flow ratio. I think we do have to take a look at it. I know it's been talked about in other videos, and other crypto YouTubers have beat this to death, but I really think this is a huge indicator of where Bitcoin's price is going to go, right, guys? So if you take a look, we have a red dot here. The red dot means that it's 1 month after the halving. We look at last time we had a red dot, guys. We have a little bit of a correction and then a huge blow off top parabola run. So we could be seeing a little bit of correction here, but according to the stock to flow ratio, we're supposed to be hitting all-time highs at about around the middle of next year. I think it'll be closer to the end of next year, personally, guys, just because I think Corona kind of put a little bit of a damper, not a damper, but kind of slowed down the bull market for this time around, and it kind of put us back a few months. So I could see our all-time high being closer to about right here than what it projects to about $10,000 right here. It's definitely gonna probably be a blow off top. I would say we probably gonna hit around probably closer to 150,000. I think 150,000 will be Bitcoin's top, and you're going to be seeing altcoins, make a higher return on your investment, kind of like you did last time. But Bitcoin is definitely the safer investment, because I think this time around, not every altcoin is going to absolutely pop off at 1,000x like it did last time. So I think there's only going to be a select few that are going to pop off, but they're going to pop off a lot higher than Bitcoin's going to pop off. It's just that Bitcoin is the highest market cap and the safest investment in crypto. What is a safe investment in crypto? I don't know, but Bitcoin is it. And this stock to flow ratio kind of perfectly illustrates what has been happening. It kind of always follows this purple line here. When we're below the purple line, it's usually a bear market, and we're above the purple line, it's usually when we're in a bull market. We're kind of just about creeping up kind of perfectly with the descending resistance here, guys. So that would be something like coming down here like this, where we're just about to break it, and we're also just about to break it in the stock to flow ratio. So everything is perfectly lining up for the next bull run. If I was not trading advice, now is the time you would want to buy before we start this parabolic run. I know everyone's been saying it. I'm not a perma bull, guys. I can see the bearish arguments. I just think that the risk to reward is a lot better to be on the bull side, and not miss out on some potential gains that have happened twice in a row after that happening. That's just my personal opinion. Don't take it for trading advice. That's pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please smack that like button. It really helps out my channel. I just started this channel, so if you guys like my content, please subscribe. I'm going to come out with daily Bitcoin, altcoin, just stuff to watch out for. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment on what, if there's an altcoin you guys want to see, or if you guys just want me to see me make Bitcoin videos. Please let me know in the comments. I'm very open to any kind of suggestions that you guys have. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy the good weather outside if you're not in Alaska or something like that. Peace.